Now, politics has erupted in India over a Chinese propaganda video which claims to show PLA troops unfurling the Chinese flag in Galwan Valley. The Chinese reporter with Chinese-controlled state media tweeted the propaganda video here that you see on your screens showing Chinese personnel unfurling their national flag on New Year's Day. According to the reporter, the incident was from the Galwan Valley. The valley earlier saw deadly clashes between Indian and Chinese troops. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi targeted the Modi government over its handling of Chinese incursions, asking the Prime Minister to address this simmering issue. Congress accuses the government of not taking any action against Chinese aggression in the last 19 months. Earlier, Gandhi had slammed government after China renamed 15 places in Arunachal Pradesh. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has also attacked the government after Indian and Chinese armies exchanged New Year's gifts amid the military build-up. The MP has further said that by exchanging sweets, what message is the centre trying to send out to Chinese President Xi Jinping?
Modi government is a weak-kneed government. I'm sorry to say, but we have a weak Prime Minister who refuses to utter the word China. Modi government has compromised on national security and territorial integrity of India. This is an unpardonable sin that no government has committed. How dare, and I say with sense of responsibility, how dare China raise its flag over Galwan Valley when only tricolour needs to be unfurled there? How dare China continue to be in occupation of Gogra Hot Springs, Depsang Plains? How dare China rename places in Arunachal? How dare China set up a village inside Indian territory in Arunachal Pradesh? And how dare Modi government remain mum over it and not utter a word?
This is a surreal story. The flag is being hoisted where the Chinese, according to our understanding, have never been, have never reached, and have no business to be. That's what the Prime Minister has been telling us, that not an inch of our soil is occupied by the Chinese. This is what he's been telling us. So on what soil is this flag being hoisted is a question, is a big question. And everyone seems to have expressed their concern when the Chinese first made the move, and thereafter it was all forgotten. I think very clearly the government wants it to be forgotten and not to be debated. It certainly doesn't want to offer the debate in Parliament.
बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और कहीं ना कहीं मोदी जी ने कहा था कि ना कोई गुस्सा है, ना कोई गुस्सा हुआ है, ना कोई गुस्सा था, वो हमारे राष्ट्रीय हित के खिलाफ जा रहा है। जब देश के प्रधानमंत्री ही हमारे दुश्मन को क्लीन चिट देंगे तो दुश्मन की तो हिम्मत होने वाली है। वहाँ तिरंगा होना चाहिए जो राहुल जी ने कहा, और हमको मिल के तिरंगे के लिए लड़ना चाहिए। कोई पार्टी के पॉलिटिक्स नहीं है, इट इज़ अबाउट द कंट्री।